So we have a 450 Foreman muffler that has broken loose. The baffles on the inside. Sounds terrible. He's gonna shake it. It just sounds awful. So we're just gonna try to repair this. We've seen some videos where people have been working on them. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this cutoff wheel on this grinder and we're going to cut around the edge here. We're gonna take this end cap off. And then we're gonna get in there and see what's busted up, and we're gonna see if it's something that we can fix. New. All right, he's just got the end cap cut and we haven't pulled it out yet, so. All right, that one is not as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah, we'll fix that.
Let's look up in here. Oh, yeah, that's not. Well, yeah, it's rusted some, but.
The main piece is still good.
That right there is gonna be repairable.
Let's see what
We got a light, shine it, get it pulled into the light on it. I got the video going.
This one's broke too. See what's broke.
Yep, okay, so the internal one is
I need to pull it out. That broke probably.
broke as well. All right, so you can see where that metal piece is broke. So we're gonna have to take that out. We're gonna put a new piece of metal in that. And then we're gonna make another piece of metal, replace that piece, or at least try to repair that piece. Okay, so we've been messing with this piece of metal and it is very solid. So we're gonna try to knock it back down where it goes and weld it, spot weld it, and then weld that crack. And then we'll get to repairing on the other parts that's more damaged. All right, so we got this welded back into place. We spot welded all the way around it. And I actually got the crack welded up. We're using the Harbor Freight titanium flux 125. Great economic welder if you're looking for a welder to do small projects. Actually, this thing actually welds really hot. But anyway, we welded this. I had to cut this thing down like really low, and it's done a good job. So now we got to figure out how we're going to fix that last little baffle, and we'll come back and we'll get that figured out. All right, so we got the end cap welded back on. Not the prettiest weld on the earth, but it is very functional. So we're gonna put this on the four-wheeler and we're gonna see what she sounds like.